going to talk about how to translate English verbal sentences into Arabic. As you know, the verbs in English are different and we have different tenses. So, for example, if we have this sentence in Arabic, سأسافر غدا إلى London. So how can I translate this sentence into English? First of all, I have to verb is سأسافر. سأسافر. This scene indicates that the sentence is in the future. Okay? So أسافر is the verb. غدا is the time, or we can say it is adverbial time or adverb of time, and then إلى London, this is a prepositional phrase that denotes the place, okay, or it is the prepositional phrase. Okay, I'm going to translate this sentence. So first of all, as you know, we have to begin our translation by putting the subject in the first place. As you know, English sentences usually begin with a subject. So, من يقوم بعملية السفر؟ أنا سأسافر. إذن أنا. So I have to say I. And since the tense of this verb is future, so I have to say I will. I will travel, this is the main verb, okay? I will travel to London tomorrow. Okay? So in English, it is preferable to put the place and then we put the time, okay? So here we have, I will travel to London tomorrow. Okay, so this is the translation. This is an acceptable translation for this sentence, but we have other translation. The students can give us some other translation to the same sentence. For example, although here we use will plus the infinitive, which indicates the future, okay, but I can use another tenses to show the same sentence. Okay, I say I travel. We can use this tense. I travel to London tomorrow. This here I use what? I use the present simple, and also it indicates what? It indicates the future time. When do I travel to? Well, I will travel. Or not the first one, the future, but here I travel. I use present simple. Or I can say I'm traveling. I'm traveling to London tomorrow. And it is also acceptable translation to the same sentence. سأسافر غدا إلى لندن أو سأسافر إلى لندن غدا. So I'm traveling to London. Here I use what? I'm using here the present continuous. Present continuous to indicate the future action. Here, all these kinds of translation are acceptable. Sometimes I can say when I use the present continuous to indicate future, it means what? It means I have my plan, okay? I have decided to travel, okay? For example, I have bought my tickets, okay? So everything is settled. Definitely, I'm going to travel. So instead of that, I say, instead of I will travel or I travel, I say I'm traveling to London tomorrow. Not only that, I can have another translation to the same Arabic sentence. I can say, I'm going to travel to London tomorrow. Here I use what? I use the construction of going to, which means سوف. أيضا it means سوف. I'm going. Don't forget here the verb to be. Well, and you know, because of the subject I use here. Going to plus travel plus the infinitive or the base. Here it indicates future, but we can say سوف. The meaning is the same. سوف أسافر أو سأسافر أو سأذهب إلى آخره. بالعامية وخاصة العامية العراقية مرات اكو شبه. العامية العراقية ما بينها وبين هذه الجملة أو أي جملة أخرى بها going to. احنا بالعربي مثلا ايش أقول راح أسافر، راح أنام، راح أطلع، راح أدرس. هاي الكلمة راح بالعامية معناها أذهب. وين رحت؟ رحت مثلا لبغداد، رحت لندن. فيعني شوف العامية العراقية بالذات تشبه هنا اللغة الإنجليزية باستخدام going to اللي هي مأخوذة من الجو يذهب أو يروح بالعامية، بس هنا بالفيوتشر ما لها علاقة بالذهاب نهائيا. أتمنى إن شاء الله استفادتم من هاي المحاضرة القصيرة. شكرا.